Okay, guys, so I was watering my grass, and this hurricane, sorry, I'm just coughing because of this all wind. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When I was watering the grass, it was going right there only. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look. I'm getting wet. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at all the water. All the water. Okay. This is going to be very weird. Okay. So this is starting to get so weird. What the hell? Yo, what the hell? Look at how windy. What the hell? And I was starting to get wet too. When I raised the hose up, it started to... Whoa. Ah! Oh, what the hell? How would this be so windy? How would this be so windy? What the hell? Oh my gosh, what the hell is this? Oh my gosh! This will be a hurricane! Whoa! Oh my! Why would it be so windy like this? So I'm just telling you the weather, that's all. And this is so dumb. Also, those leaves over there. Oh no! No! Why would it be so windy like this? Ah! I'm getting wet. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Why is it selecting over there? Why? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! So my birthday's in a couple of days. Yeah, my birthday's in a couple of days, like June 26th. So, and oh my gosh, why would it be so windy? Whoa, sheesh. What the hell? What the hell? Yo. Why would it be this windy like this? Why would it be so windy? Why would it be so windy? Why would it be so windy? Okay, so subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I hope that over there, because all of us are in the cough, the coronavirus. And I don't know what to do on this windy day. So, bye.